Sometimes the parts formula has to be applied more than once in order to get to the final result. And we'll see this with this example. We want to integrate x squared times e to the 2x with respect to x. As stated in the previous example, with no log present, it would be the power of x that's chosen to be v. So we take v equal to x squared. Once we've chosen this, du dx has to be the e to the 2x. We differentiate v, and dv dx is equal to 2x. To integrate e to the 2x, we need to apply the chain rule. Remember, if we differentiated e to the 2x, we would get e to the 2x, and then multiply by the differential of the inside function, the 2x, to get 2 times e to the 2x. Integration is the reverse process, so instead of multiplying by the differential of the inside function, we divide by the differential of the inside function. And therefore, we get a half of e to the 2x. Remember, multiplying by a half is the same as dividing by 2. If we now substitute into the parts formula, the integral of x squared e to the 2x dx becomes uv, x squared times a half e to the 2x, which we can write as a half x squared e to the 2x. Take away the integral of u dv dx, the two bottom ones. This gives us xe to the 2x. Note the half and the 2 cancel when we multiply. If we now look at this integral, we can see that we need to apply parts again. So we let v be equal to x and du dx be equal to e to the 2x. dv dx then is 1, and u is a half e to the 2x, as described before. So here, this part is already integrated, and so stays the same. And then we need to subtract the second integral, which becomes our new uv, a half x e to the 2x, take away the integral of u dv dx, which is a half e to the 2x. This gives us a half x squared e to the 2x, take away a half x e to the 2x, plus the integral of a half e to the 2x dx. So all we've done here is expand the bracket. So a half x squared e to the 2x, take away a half x e to the 2x, and of course we can integrate this, and we get a quarter, remember dividing by 2 again, so we get a half times a half, which is a quarter, times e to the 2x, and then add a constant.